Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to install Firefox and make it the default browser on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So we'll start by going to the Play Store. If you don't see it on your main screen, swipe up and locate it. Then we'll search for Firefox. Just tap Search, tap in the search window and type in Firefox. It will land on the Firefox Fast and Private browser. If it hasn't, just make sure you choose this one. Click on Install. This will take a few moments. The size is 100 megs. And the message popped up there saying Firefox has been added to the home screen. Now if I swipe up, I can see Firefox just here. I'll press that to launch Firefox. It asks us to continue, and right here we have the choice to change it to the default browser. Set Firefox as your default browser app. Currently it's Chrome. Select Firefox, set as default. So we can continue with not now, not now, not now, save and continue, and we are now in the Firefox browser. Now if I change my mind, I don't like Firefox for some reason and want to change to a different browser and make that default, simply come out of the app, go to Settings. On the left hand side, go down to Apps, choose Default Apps on the right hand side. Here we have Browser App, and I can switch back to Chrome or any other app I was using before. So I hope that's helped. Leave the video a thumbs up if it's been useful. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.